Um, Welcome, everyone. My name is Matt Lute with Atticus Family Law.
And I'm Cassie Sukamel, an attorney with Atticus Family Law.
We're here today to talk about the issues that are involved in returning to school during this pandemic for those people that serve in our area, be it the Twin Cities, Western Wisconsin, Duluth, and the difficulties that are embraced when you've got people that are trying to co-parent together. Cassie, what are some of those issues?
I think one of the biggest decisions that parents are facing right now is whether to do hybrid or distance learning with their children and all of the challenges that come with that. There are a lot of conflicting goals in that decision, whether it be keeping your child safe while also fearing that they're going to fall behind in school, staying employed and having to figure out childcare that maybe you didn't have to deal with in years past. And so there's a lot of new co-parenting issues that parents are facing.
Sounds like a lot of stress and anxiety.
Absolutely.
Top of everything else in this pandemic. All right, so what kind of familiarity do you have with this, Cassie?
I am in the thick of it with our clients. I have a new kindergartner who is supposed to start in the fall here, and we don't know what to do. We don't know what the right decision is. And we also have a 3-year-old who needs daycare, and we want to make sure they stay safe and stay smart. And I see every day in the moms groups I'm a part of that no one feels like they're making the right decision.
Yeah, and we've certainly seen that with our clients this summer already, where they're trying to wrestle with this in addition to having really thin trust because they're going through a divorce or trying to establish custody, and they don't have the co-parenting skills that they really like. What are some of the solutions that are out there?
I think communication is key, and that goes in any co-parenting relationship, but especially now, you need to talk to the other parent and see what agreements or disagreements are out there and address those sooner rather than later. School starts in a few weeks, but there is time to still go to mediation. We're seeing, because mediations are happening via Zoom, we're seeing that mediators still have that availability. And so it's not too late to address those issues in mediation.
Right. It's certainly one of the things you're going to want to try before mediation is that a more effective communication that you described, Cassie. What I want to direct viewers to is the fact that Atticus Family Law has a book. It's free of charge. If you want one, if you want a paper version, shoot us an email, we'll mail you one. But also, to a certain extent, that time is of the essence with so many of these issues. You can get one from our website by going to our homepage, Atticus Family Law, and then scrolling about 3/4 of the way down. Oh, I think I went past it. Here it is. Want to get a head start. This is the book here. You just enter your information and you can download the PDF. But starting on page 195, we've got a 20-page chapter on co-parenting tips that, how to talk to the other parent in a fashion that is effective, doesn't push buttons, really elevates the communication. We wanted to make sure that everybody had this so that they could consistently use it as a referral or a reference to improve their co-parenting. And that's available for anyone, whether you're a former client, existing client, future client, or you're never end up being a client, that is available. Cassie, what else, anything else that comes to mind as it relates to these issues?
Yeah, I want parents to know that, stress during co-parenting is normal right now, but if you are experiencing issues with the other parent, there's a possibility that those issues run deeper than the stress of the pandemic. And that could be related to parenting time, child support, compliance with past orders. And so we're happy to, to speak with parents about those issues and potential solutions.
Great. Yeah, certainly if there's anybody that has those issues, call us or send us an email. We'll bring you in for a consultation, tell you whether we can assist you, and otherwise make sure that you're equipped to be able to handle all the co-parenting issues that come your way through the rest of this pandemic. Cassie, thanks for your time today.
Thank you.
Thanks everybody for checking us out.